Alright, so in B, what Fidel did is he looked at the top degree, which is a 1, and now you're going to have a lot more stuff happening, right? Look at the next problem. You're looking at the highest degree of the denominator. He's 2. You put an inequality there. You're looking at your chart. It's less than. That means your horizontal asymptote is always y equals 0. Let's call another student. Natalie A. Go ahead and pick one. Okay. How do you find that? Natalie, did you factor? What did you get? When you factor, you got 0? Okay, so question. X, what's the number in front of it? But if you had a 0, 0 times anything, it means it's 0. So that can't be a 0, it has to be a 1. So 1 times x. How about the denominator? If that helps you, you can look at the board. We're just doing step number 1. Natalie, can you take anything out? They both have a what in there? X. Natalie, if you take out an x, what's left? So does x times 3 give you all this? You're missing something there. Yep, x plus 3. Camille, based on this factoring, do you have a which one you want to do, vertical asymptote or? Okay, how do I get that? If you had to tell someone, how do you find a removable whole? We just factored it. Correct. What am I canceling? The x's. So what are you going to write in the box? Correct. We'll write not equals 0. So we have a removable whole there. Marisol? If someone asks you, how do you find a question? What did I not cancel? Correct. So maybe it would have been better if I put the 1 on this side. So this is what I have not canceled, right? Question, Marisol. Does this have a denominator? Yeah. What is my denominator? Correct. And we're going to set that what? Yeah, not equal to 0. Marisol, if you solve this, let's move this over. Yay. How do you solve for x? How do you get x by itself? We're just using our algebra. How do I get rid of this plus 3? Yeah, we're going to take negative 3. So we're going to have a vertical asymptote at x equals negative 3. Let's make our table of values. I'm going to mark all of these colors first, and that'll help me create a table of values. Now my horizontal asymptote. And then I know that I'm going to have a removable hole here at x equals 0. So I go to 0 on the x-axis and then draw a vertical line. The hole is going to be somewhere on this line. Alright, this helps us create a table of values. Partner A, tell partner B, what's the number in the middle of my table? What's the most important number? Angel R, what's the most important number? He says -3. Thumbs up, thumbs down? -3 is correct. The number you need to pick there is the vertical asymptote. Class, what number do you pick? The common mistake I heard students here was 0. Now we need to pick two numbers to the left. Class, two numbers to the left. -4, -5. Two numbers to the right. I encourage you to pick strategically. Pick easy numbers you're going to have to work with. Someone said -2. I'd pick always 0. Alright, let's finish this one. Joseph H. Pick a number. -5? Yes. And when you substitute it in, what number do you get? 0. -5 plus 3? 1 divided by 2. -0.5, right? -1/2. Sebastian, pick a number. -4. What did you get? -1. Good. Ariana? What did you get? Yeah. Good. Rosalva? Yeah. Good. And Angel H. If I take 0, 0 plus 3.
3.
And then 1 divided by 3. Yep. Alright, let's go ahead and graph those. -5, -0.5. So I want to know that it's negative. Let's try that again. -5, -0.5. -4, -1, so a little bit further down. I already have the vertical asymptote, -2, +1, so now it's positive value, so going above the blue line. And then 0.333. You're going to make some curves. And then I forgot to write my removable hole here at 0. So wherever it crosses here in my graph, there should be a donut hole right there. So get your characteristics. This helps you figure out your table of values. Pick two numbers to the left of your vertical asymptote, two values to the right. This will tell you if it's going to be below or above the horizontal asymptote.